So today we are going to discuss about object enhancement as well as classes. These are the two topics which we will gonna cover. So let's cover this, discuss this first, enhancement. So enhancement means to add something, or enhance means add more functionality in an existing thing, or improve the capability of existing thing is called enhancement. Am I right? Means value addition of any existing thing. If you do any value addition, that's called enhancement. Okay. So in previous chapters we discussed about object. While we will discuss about arrow function, then we will learn how to use normal function as a constructor to which will help us to create a object. So object has a, you can say, properties, key value pair in the form of you can say. So here we will learn how to enhance, how we can use that, and how we'll use short property names. Means rather than doing a, there are two ways, one is long way and another one is short way. We will learn that short property name, and how to define a method, how we can define till now we used properties, but we not used any method for that object. And what is computed property? Computed property, we learn these concept. Okay. So here what we will did, we will create two variables. One is Alice and first name, and another one is age. Okay. And if you want to give a value to this your user, for this you can do one thing. You can do this way. Let's say this is a way to do that. Const user 0 0. Okay. And here first name is equal to Deepak, and age is equal to 40. This is a way to do this. There is a one way. Mean these are the called hard coded value, and this is, you can say, hard coded literal values. And but what is the advantage of this? Could anyone tell? Means what is the advantage of this? If we will use this as taking a variable, and at the place of literal, if we use the variable's value, is there any advantage we are gonna get, or there is no advantage? This question for you guys. Anyone want to answer this question? Okay, if no, no worries. So there is an advantage of this. Let's say right now there is a, we are using this value, and this is a, you can say, we are repeatedly using this again and again, and maybe tomorrow something need to be changed. Then if we are using through the variable, we need to change on a one place, and it will reflect on another places. Okay. So so right now this is same thing with the help of these both are same, but with the help of your this this is a with variable and with the literal. Okay. And this is a, you can say, your shorthand. Means if you have a value variable, you want to give a same name of your object properties, then you can give a, you can say same, you can use variable name directly. There is no need to use this colon and thing. Okay, clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So most of the places in a new code, you are able to see directly they are using this variable. They are not doing this colon and this. Okay, but this is a case when you have a, you want same name as variable name for property. Make sense? Okay. So in a method definition, so right now traditional way this. Okay. No need to do that. Just you need to use, this is a called your property, greet your property, and this is called your function name as well. Okay. So let me run and check the output of these two. No impact. I'm right. Both are working fine. Okay. And these are the also working fine. So we done two session. One is the enhancement of this shorthand properties and method definitions. Hope you guys are good. Okay, and if you have guys have any question or concern, feel free to ask. Otherwise, we will move forward.
No,
No?
sir.
Okay. Then let's move forward for a compound property. Okay, what is the mean of computed property? What is mean computed? Anyone can answer this? Amrit, Kapil, computed, compute. This is a verb. What is the mean of compute?
Sir, to calculate something.
Yes. So, and property means, what do you understand from property?
Sir,
Property,
behavior of the object.
uh, behavior defined by method, not property. You can say property is a different thing. Property is a, you can say,
Function,
property is a feature
feature.
or characteristics, but not behavior. Behavior defined by your method, like speaking or talking, stuff like that. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So here, what they are trying to say, your this property makes sense. Property should be computed based on a means some operation. It will do that. Let's analyze this. So we have one key called score, and we are saying this key score is a, you can say your key, and value is 100. Okay, but this key, it depend upon some computation. Make sense or not? Make sense or not? So
Yes, sir.
right now, this is a computed property because we are not, means this key will define based on a calculation. Make sense or not? Chitendra,
Yes, sir.
you understand why we
Yes,
are
sir.
saying computed property?
Yes, sir.
Means its name is means created after your this, after calculation. Am I right? It's not straightforward. Make sense?
Right.
So here you are able to see output should be like this. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And here, this is a dynamic key email. Okay. And here we will see dynamic key email. We are assigning this key. Let's say tomorrow, if this key value is changed, am I right? Variable value changed. This also changed. Am I right or wrong?
Right.
So these are called computed properties. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Any question or concern regarding these computed properties?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
So what is the use or what is the use case which you think of where we need to use this? Where
But
you need to use this?
when we need to use a one variable for multiple time in a function, maybe.
Okay, good try. This is a little bit right, but what is the use case? Could you think about a use case where you need to use this dynamic key or a variable at the place of giving a direct name? You are giving the name through variable. Could you think of any scenario? Kapil, you did lot of coding, so could you think?
Sir, I think for privacy concerns like our credentials.
Right now means when you say computed property or dynamic thing, then you can say you don't know what's gonna happen. Am I right? If you don't know, it's come from a dynamic way. Make sense or not?
Okay.
Make sense or not? Let's say in a database, we have a product database, we have a user database. Every user have their own unique ID. Am I right? Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Or you want to use a property name as a, you can say, some combination. Am I right? If this feature is not available, you can't do it. Am I right? You cannot handle dynamic names. Am I right? But do you have this feature? You can use this. This is an advantage of use case where you need to use whenever you don't know what is the exact name it will come, or and you want to create an object with a dynamic properties, then you will go with this feature. Understand, guys?
Yes, sir.
Any question or concern?
No, sir.
So just whatever we learn means this, they will combine everything in a single example. Would anyone try to explain what's going on here? Anyone? Because it's explaining what we did earlier.
Uh, Sir, first we describe all the variables for our
Okay.
for our object, like product name, price, discount, or currency. Uh, then we build again variable in which we use these all values. So with product name, price, discount, and then we use a string price in. Then we use the variable currency using the dollar symbol, then price currency. Then use a display function to display all these variables with console.log, and after that we use console.log product. So first it's gonna display product, then it's gonna display our product values. Then we use a function product.display So it's gonna print this console.log, this product name, this price and currency.
Okay, that's fine. Good, good. Thank you. Amrit, I have a question. What is this? What is this called? We learned this earlier. What this feature called? Kapil.
So concatenation maybe.
No, in this context, enhancement object literals. What this feature called? Anyone? Chetendra, Ekta, Kapil. What is this called? This is called computed property. We are computing, am I right? You are right.
Okay.
This is
Yes,
a
sir.
template. This is a string template. Am I right? You are right. But I am talking about this. So this is called, you can say, computed property. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And could you tell me what I need to change so that it will mean, how can I convert this into a traditional way? This method to a traditional way? Anyone can tell? There are two little bit changes. After that it will work, means it will convert into a traditional way. Anyone can suggest? No? Then you need to use this function. This is our function part. Greet function. Function. I'm doing same thing. Okay. I think so. Display. Yes. Okay. Any question or concern, guys? Are you wanna go through this quickly? Just go through that. After that, you have one, you can say, quiz. Based on this, you need to answer those some of the questions. You can speak. You can discuss with means your teammates or another colleagues. But take, you can say, you have 2 minutes with you. You can go through. After that, I will ask some questions regarding these. So you feel free to ask some question from me if you have any doubt or concern. No?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then please answer these. What is the output? And what is the output here? One by one. Note, you will not speak. Just start by this. Means start. You can start anyone can start. Just let me know what is the output you are able to see. or you can say no idea. That's also fine, but you just speak out. Name your name and what's your answer. Okay, anyone wanna try or have a answer of this or no? Just let me know. No?
No, sir.
Anyone try to answer this? No? Man, just answer. Try to answer. If you are failed, that's not an issue. Count 5 and type apple is equal to sweet. Okay. And this is a show. This is a function. It will. I'm not clear about how function will display, but it will display and it will display your fruit means apple. Show represent only apple in a small case. Let's run this and check the output. I need to check only one output for you, otherwise it's mess up and you guys the answer of another as well. That's why I'm hiding. I will keep everything for you, but you guys are not checking that. Anyone means check the preview means next lesson or not? Anyone get a chance to look into next lessons? Okay, now we have only enhanced object and literals. Knowledge check save. Why it's not showing me that thing? Let's check. Let me close this. Let me close this as well. Let me rerun. Oh, why it's not showing anything? Console.log. Fruit, apple, count 5, type apple, sweet, and this is your function. And this is apple. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Jitendra, you understand? So
Yes,
any
sir.
question
Yes.
or concern regarding what we discussed? Or could we move forward for classes? Could we move forward for classes?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So ES6 introduced a cleaner, more familiar syntax for working with object and inheritance using the class keyword. This is syntactic sugar for Java prototype based inheritance. Okay. So this is a important concept, prototyping based, which we will discuss later. But right now, it's a, you can say, top of that. We have a classes, means in a object oriented programming, classes are, you can say, main part and have a big role there. And as Chitendra said in a starting of this class, classes are template. They are not available physically, but they are define the structure, means how structure will, means what, how many properties are there, what are the name of properties, what is the, you can say, data type there, everything they will define. Let me give you an example of mm, in a real scenario what you think about class, how you can think about a class. Let's say in a society or in a, you can say, product company, car company, there is a one die which will just define the shape of a item, or there is a, you can say, structure which will define a your layout of your building or apartment. Am I right? But that layout is defined, but it's not an actual room. Make sense or not? Actual room is created by your architecture. Just do a, you can say, template designing, but real, you can say, mentions and you can say labor create a actual how room or car or you can say product. Okay, so what is defining? It's a virtual thing. So it's a class which will tell, means what is your this how many properties are there and how many methods are there and what they will do. Okay, so this will define in a class, and when you use this class to create an object, that's called a actual implementation. Object is a actual which is exist. Any question or concern regarding these two terms?
No, sir.
Okay. So this is a, you can say, constructor method, which is a, you can say, default method which you can use for your this class creation purpose. Otherwise, if we will, let me use the same class without constructor, so that you can understand what is the advantage with the constructor and without constructor. Okay, let me do this. So right now these are the, you can say, name and age. Right now we not give any value. Okay, and what we will do, we will create a object with a, you can say, these with the empties values or without values. So what is do is doing undefined. Make sense?
Okay.
So let's say if you want to give a value, you can give a value in this way. Alias. Okay. P dot age is equal to 30. Make sense? So this is a thing when you want to Means this is a way to create a single object. You need to means initialize the properties. Two properties are there. You need to do this a two time. Let's say there are 5 or 10 properties are there. Then how many lines you need to means write more? How many properties you have? Am I right? So which is a tedious task. Let's say let's talk about one scenario. Uh, have you heard about some offers? Am I right? If you purchase anything, there is some offer. Hey, if you go with this, you will get these things. And if you not want any offer, you will get this. Am I right or wrong? Make sense or not?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So that means we have, let's say car. Car have a, you can say different models. Means one model have a different variant. If you pay this much, then you can if you go with this one, then you will get these feature only. Am I right? If you go increase your budget, then these all feature also included. Am I right? So in this manner, what we are saying, some are the mandatory things which should be there, like your gearbox should be there, your steering should be there. These are the bare minimum things. Am I right? So what are the necessity things you require to work with that object? That should be become a part of constructor. And when that person is going to create that object, that need to be required. Make sense? For that you will use constructor. Any question or concern? Like this, let's say these two properties are required. Without this, a person cannot exist. Assume. Am I right? So for that, we will take this in a constructor. If you now want to create an object of that person, then you need to pass these properties. These are the mandatory things. Okay. Any question or concern?
No, sir.
So you are able to see this. And this doesn't mean you cannot have another properties. You can have another properties, let's say age, mobile, okay, string, mobile, email. Those are the optional. Okay. So if you check this, new console.log p1. You can see these are the undefined. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So inheritance. Okay. What is inheritance? Anyone know what is inheritance?
Sir,
In
one
normal
class
term.
property. Sir. One class property inherited some property. Like my parents have some property, so I inherit his property. Any behavior or
Yes.
anything like that.
Maybe your physics, height,
Mm.
your means color, skin color, hair color, or your
Mm.
height, or maybe we will inherit some habits as well. Am I right? From
Yes,
our
sir.
parents. This is called inheritance. Am I right? So, what is the advantage you think about inheritance? Anyone?
If we inherit, if we inherit property, then we improve functionality and all these things.
Sir, we need to use reduce the
We use
writing of code.
Let's
repetition.
say, let me try to give a one example. Let's understand this in a better way. So right now, let's say you have something already have with you. Am I right? Am I right? Let's say these are parent. Okay, parent have earned name. Am I right? Or fame. Make sense? And properties means he whatever he earned. If means am I right or wrong? Make sense or not? Let's say means he is a good person and he's an intelligent person, and if child not get advantage of this parents intelligence or anything else, then it's a wastage. Am I right? We are reinventing the wheel again and again, which is not required. Am I right? Make sense or not?
Yes, sir.
So for that parent child relationship, whatever parent have, that's automatically available for child. Am I right? Apart from parent, whatever parent have, child also have their own things. Am I right? Own privacy, own interest. Am I right or wrong? So in this class, parent class, whatever is common property, okay, whatever is common property, we will keep in a one you can say parent class, and those are the common. Like if I say mean normally scenario, child known by their parents name. Am I right or wrong? Until unless they are not so much famous. Am I right? Make sense or not?
Yes, sir.
Like if I say means in my village itself, means if I go there, then they will say Deepak is a son of, you can say, Ashok Kumar. Am I right? Or Amrit is a son of blah blah, means am I right or wrong? Means if child is so much famous, then we'll say, hey, this is a father of this. Am I right? This is a father of Mahendra Singh Dhoni. Am I right or wrong?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So here means right now means if it's a employee, it's a student, everyone is a person. Am I right or wrong? Hmm? Am I right or wrong?
Yeah.
Everyone is a person. Can I say student is a person or employee is a person? Can I say that or not?
You can
Yes,
say
Or
sir.
that.
they have a,
Yes, yes.
Yes.
can I say, am I right?
Yes, sir.
So why we need to create a means template again and again for common properties? It's required? No. So
No.
to means follow this process means whatever is common, which is applicable for all the child, that need to be written. It's available for parent. Am I right? Let's say your
Yes, sir.
surname, like your Shivani surname is Bagel. Am I right? It's come from her parent. Am I right? Am I
Yes, sir.
right or wrong?
Yes, sir.
So that's why. So these are the common properties. So we'll keep this in a parent, and when child will extend this, okay, extend means inheriting. Okay, then we are saying these are properties automatically available for child, name and age. Am I right? Because this is a employee, so employee have a one another property. Job title, it can be any, it can be multiple. That's not an issue. Am I right? But thumb rule is this: wherever you want to use these classes, if this is a case, you have a common properties for multiple object, multiple, then classification is there. Let's say animal, person, or car. Then put the common properties in a parent class, and as per your convenient, extend that class and introduce new properties, which is specific to that particular model or animal or person. Make sense? Make sense or not? Chitendra,
Yes, sir.
Sir.
whether you understand what I'm trying to say or no?
Yes,
This
sir.
is an important concept.
Yes, sir.
Kapil,
Yes, sir.
Kapil, you understand? Okay. Now it's now this. What is super? Like super is donating your parent. Okay. Because if you check in a constructor, you have two properties. You need to pass two properties. So super representing here your you can say all the parent class constructor using super. So it's donating your parent class. Make sense? Super class or subclass, parent class, child class. Those terms are means you're donating a same meaning. Okay.
Okay. We will use a super, right? Variable for to inherit property
For parent, for parent.
from.
We are
Okay.
referring with the help of super. We are referring parent class.
Okay, please.
You can
Yeah.
see. You can see. Am I right?
Yes.
Okay. And with the help of super, we are referring our parent class method.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So there are static method. Uh, okay. What is the meaning of static? Chetwindra, it's a static website. What is the
Yeah,
meaning of
just a
static?
static. Can't be changed, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
So means static means, let's say you have one parent have something, okay, like house. Parent have a house. Am I right?
Yes.
Which everyone can use, child can use. Am I right? But they are parent property. They are no child property. Am I right or wrong?
Hmm.
So same thing with the these methods. Whatever means they can use, child can use, but those are the parent method or superclass method. Child can use, but can't change. Those are called static. And to write a static method, you need to use static keyword. Make sense?
Okay, sir.
Make sense or not?
Makes sense.
Or static property. You can write a static property as well, which will, if you want to utilize these properties, then you can say you need to use, don't need to use this object because it's related to your this only. Then you need to use your class name directly. Make sense? Static because it's related to your parent class only. Then you need to use this. What is this? Alias constructor person employee. Okay, employee company makes sense. So employee dot company because company is a common thing for employee. Am I right? So why we will use different variable and allocate a different memory? It's a common. Am I right? Make sense or not?
Yes, sir.
Please
Yes,
understand
sir.
this.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes.
Please understand this carefully. Okay. Okay. Then these are the things. This is a, you can say multiple unit math util, and it have two method like which you can use for addition, multiplication, and division, or whatever means if you introduce. So those are the method, static method. With the help of class name you can access whatever I did here for property. I use the class name, I not use the object or instance. Make sense?
Yes.
Any question or concern, guys? If no, then I have a question for you guys. These are the meaning. You want to read this carefully, or I want your participation in question and answer. So just read this. This time I expect something from you guys. Please don't mean that disappointed me like earlier. I teach you, but you are not able to answer. I am mean disappointed for myself because I want some answer from your side. So just check this for 2 minutes. After that, we will switch to a quiz. We'll move to a quiz on 9:56. One more minute. Okay. Who will answer? Knowledge check. Knowledge check. Okay. Okay, this is a simple one. What is the output? What is the output?
Body make a sound.
Buddy?
Body make body make a sound barks.
Are you
Maybe
sure?
this. Let me check again.
It will be around. It will be body make a sound, and walks.
Okay. I got your answer. I am just noting down. Okay. So I am just saying combination of parent plus child output. Am I right, Jitendra?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Another answer? Kapil? Combination or single? Parent, you just, and there are three options. Combination, parent or child. Just answer your answer. Kapil,
Yes,
what is
sir.
your answer? Combination, parent or
Or
child?
I want to change my answer. My answer would be uh, just body box only single.
Child one. Child. Am I right?
Yeah,
Yes,
child
sir. I
only.
also
Child.
child one.
So my
Okay.
answer is combination, like parent and child both.
Combination. Okay. Shivani combination. Okay. Okay. So answer is child. Let me show you. Why? Okay. Amrit, explain why.
Because we didn't use the super functionality to access the our parent class values.
Okay.
That is the main reason from my point of view.
Okay. Means right now, let's say you have a parent, am I right? They are willing to marry you, है ना? They are willing to marry you, but don't mind, guys. Okay, and don't take personally. Let's say means Amrit loves some means one girl. Her name is Chandni, and she want to marry with Chandni, but her parents want to marry him with the Simranjit Kaur. So what he will do, child will means override. This is called overriding. Make sense? So Amrit override marriage function, and at the place of Simranjit, he will means override. He will marry with Chani. Make sense? So this is called override. In a override is whatever child you are referring. Makes sense? It will always take place, and your this overridden method is called, or whatever is doing, it will perform. Makes sense? That's also fine. We are not if it's a combined, then you need to use this super dot, then speak, then it will combine. Okay.
Okay. Okay, sir. Okay. Okay. Got it, sir. Yes.
Please stop the recording, guys. Thanks for your participation. Ekta, please stop the recording.
Please subscribe to our YouTube channel.